does your plug socket do? Connect an extension lead, switch lights on, power devices, cause injuries. Here's another possibility. Turn it into an internet connection. Imagine your router is downstairs and your wired-only smart TV is upstairs. How do you add the smart to your TV? You could drill a hole in the ceiling and run an Ethernet cable through the hole to connect the TV to your router, but that's not pretty and not flexible. With the TP-Link Powerline adapter, you can extend your home network, no hassle. Using your home's existing electrical circuit, TP-Link Powerline adapters connect your devices directly to your router via an electrical socket. Simply plug one Powerline adapter to the wall socket near your router and connect it to the router via an Ethernet cable. Plug another Powerline adapter into a socket near your smart TV, games console or PC and connect using the Ethernet cable or wireless. That's it. Sit back and enjoy the HD streaming and gaming. We've all got a smartphone or tablet that relies on wireless. However, Wi-Fi doesn't always reach every corner of your home. In which case, TP-Link's Wi-Fi Powerline adapters create a wireless hotspot anywhere instantly, using your power socket, so you get seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Where you have more than one wired-only device, for example a games console and a smart TV in the same corner, choose the Powerline adapters with multiple Ethernet ports. Connect up to 3 wired-only devices at the same time. Just plug the Ethernet cable into the Powerline and away you go. Where sockets are at a premium, TP-Link Powerline adapters with an integrated power socket means the Powerline can be used like a traditional electrical socket. Plug the Powerline directly into the plug socket, then plug your smart TV or games console into the Powerline as if it were a normal plug socket. TP-Link Powerline adapters, bringing the internet to a socket near you.